Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Friday, April 23rd, Friday. This is the last day of trading week number 16. Markets are rebounding from yesterday's bad red day, but this is strong. This is good. I need to reposition some of my trades because S&P will probably break through 4,200 next week. So I want to fix some trades, and I see some of the strength. I want to fix some of these things. And of course, before I do so, if you're on Facebook, join Facebook group Investing 102, where you can level up your investing. We talk about more advanced topics in finances, not just options. We do real estate, stock, insurance, and everything else. We talk about Bitcoins. We talk about economies. We talk about everything. So join me there to level up your thinking. So here you can see I have a Riot blockchain trade that I did 2 days ago. I collected 16 cents in advance. All you have to do is just hit the close button and see whether or not you can close it for even, which normally I tell people you can't. Normally you have to pay the 1 penny to close it. So I'm going to try to close it for even. Let's see what happens. While we're waiting, let's take a look at what we can do. I think I have a problem down here. So you see this? I have a problem with this. Visa has crossed into 235 or 231. So there's really not much I can do here. I'm probably gonna, let's see what our choices are. I'm gonna probably end up closing this. I have to see what happens. I think I want to close this side, and then that's still a lot of money to close. So let's pay the whopping $25 or $26 to close. And then what I need to do is fix the other side because that's being tested. So it's a Iron Condor that went really bad. So let's do the Visa. So let's try to fix that real quick. I only have about less than 20 or so minutes, 30 minutes to go. So let's try to see what our choices are. So let's hit the roll button. We'll move it one more month. I may want to move it up. This is horrible. I'm going to lose money on this. Yeah, you see, I need to be willing to pay money. This is not that good. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lose money on this trade. But let's see. I want to try to pull something off. I'm going to try to, because it's a bad trade to begin with. So I'm going to lose money here. You see it? I'm losing $172. And let's get that in. Hang on a second. Okay, that is in. You see that? Visa went across. I'm not done yet. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I just moved my Visa. So you see how I moved it out? Was it a $10 Y before? I don't even remember what I did. Hang on. I got to look at my... I don't remember it was a 10Y, but I made it 5Y, which was really bad. I made it too narrow. June was 10 wide. I made a mistake, I think, right? Yeah, you see? I made it. Okay, it is what it is. I can't undo it now. I'm not going to worry about it. So on the Visa now that it's 5 wide, I want to add on I'm going to convert it back. Make sure I use the same date. Hopefully I don't make a mistake here. Now you need to pick. So I need to buy I'm going to do a 200, and it's 5 wide now. Because it's not that much wide, I'm going to go much riskier. I went with 5 wide, so I'm going to move these things up. So you see how it's paying for it? So I can handle a $25 drop, or what you're saying is, what if it goes down to 210? And I collect a premium to offset some of the money that I paid. So what I'm trying to do is say that this needs to stay in a certain range, and the top range is 240. So I have a $30 range, and it needs to stay within that range, within that time frame. So that's how you make money on this. It's next week. So there is going to be some type of earning crush or something like that. That's next week. So you need to take those into consideration. I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'm going to play. Actually, you know what? I may go safer first, and then I'll roll up next week. If this continues to go up, I'll move this closer, and I can make more money that way. So let's just collect let's try to collect 55 for that. And then let's put that in. And I did get the Visa across. I think I collected 50 cents. So the 50 cents offset the loss that I took. But by accident, I made it more narrow than I wanted. But that was an accident. But it's okay. That's life sometimes. Accidents happen. So let's just continue and let's see what else we can do. So here you see I rolled this side up to collect more premium, but you can see that this side still be more tested. So what I'll do is I'm going to do something weird here. I'm going to bring up the put side even closer. So let's try to do this without making a mistake. That is a May 14 S&P. So let's do a May 14 S&P put side 5 wide. I have free contract. If you hit row close, it's 21. And I collected a little bit more than 21. So you see the value decayed already. So I'm going to hit the row button. But I don't want to change the date. So I want it the same date. And I want to move this up now. So the key is to move it up. I'm probably going to move it up. I'm going to try to pull this off. I'm going to roll up $13 here. Let's see if that will make any sense. I have no idea. I may just try to, I just need the market to go back down a little bit. That's what I've been hoping for the last couple of times, but obviously I've been wrong, but I'm going to try it again. So let's see if I can pull that one off. This one I need 28. And then what I'll try to do is, let's see how much I collect. Because if I can do it for a few pennies, I may try something else. And I did. I pulled it off. I moved it up. It's the May 14. Now what I want to do is, I also want to roll this side now. I want to try to move that up without closing it. So I want to try to play for this. I want to see what my choices are. If I can move it $2 up, $2 up, maybe that's what I'll do. Wow, that's not really good. You see? So it's costing me money to do that. Because I only collected 20 something dollars on the other side. So I have to do the math and see. And this may be the best thing for me to do. Because what happened is the market's been super strong. And I need the markets to eventually flatten out. Or just reverse back and have a few more red days. So I think I may want to push this out just a little bit. And just pay the cost of it. I think that's what I'm going to do. I don't know is it a bad trade or not. That's part of trading. I'm trying to bet on a reversal eventually. So let me put that in. I'm hoping I'm right. And if not, that's part of trading. You can't win. I tell people you can't win 98% of the time. And if you do, then you're playing way too safe. I'm winning over 80% of my trades. So I want to take some risks here. And I did do that. You see that? So I moved this up $2 and I really moved this side up. What I may need to do is if the S&P continues to keep on running up, I need to bring this all the way up to 400 because I'm $17 away on this side, but I'm only $10 away on the call side. So you can see I have some room to go up. I need to bring this up eventually. So we'll see what happens. And that brings the trading day to an end. I only closed one leg of the Riot trade, the short leg, and I think that's fine. So another week of pretty good 2% rate of return on my short trades, those 2-day ones. In any case, just want to let you know that's it for this week. I think I had another bad week, which happens. So that's 2 bad weeks. I had, again, most of my Iron Condors are sort of stuck. My cover calls are okay. My cash secure puts are doing fine. I'm still going to roll Riot. You see Riot is at 38 right now. I think over the weekend, a lot of it depends on what happened. You have a feeling Bitcoin may go to like 52 or 53 by Monday. If that's the case, I expect Riot to go back up a little bit. I'm going to roll back down again and try to make my $70 to $100 a week on Riot. And remember, every time I'm rolling down, I'm using a cash secure put. So I make money by releasing buying power back to my account. So let me know how your trading week went. Post below, hit the bell so you get notifications of all my videos. If you like what I do, obviously I make no money producing any of these videos. Hope you gain some knowledge, make more money. Hopefully you're having a profitable trading a year. And again, share this with a friend. If you like what I do, maybe look through my affiliate links and use one of those links so you can support me that way. Let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a good and profitable week. Bye-bye.